Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw another Pokemon, this time GOODRA. So let's start by drawing his eyes, and these are just ovals, couple ovals, and pupil or iris on the inside bottom corner. Let's draw the top of his snout with just a slight curve, and then let's draw the sides of his head. So the top of his head will be this curve that goes like this. So let's draw this side first and then the other side here, and right here at the top are these short horns, so we'll just draw these slightly oval, long ovalish horns. And now we can continue the top of the head. Let's continue the head. The bottom of the face right here goes down and back up. But let's give him a small smile right here and a little wrinkle at the end. So now underneath the chin, because his body's covered with slime, we're going to indicate it with these dripping slime looking things here. So the way you do that is just kind of curve down, kind of curve up with each of these drips, and then curve back up. Okay, so next let's start drawing his neck. From the side of his head, we're going to draw a curve that goes to the right, and then over here as well. We'll go right under the chin here and kind of come out. And then let's step back a little bit from this line and draw the midsection. A small short curved line right here, and then we're going to go out this way for the leg. So go all the way out and then come back. Let's draw the main body here with a line that goes down this way and then come across. Okay, start curving it across and then up. This is going to continue up this way, kind of towards this line. Now right here then will be his left arm, so let's just draw a line that goes across, and then he's got two fingers, so add that extra line there to separate the two fingers. And then let's finish off the wrist here, curve it down, and then the arm will go this way and then back up. So underneath the finger then we'll continue the inside of the arm, and then right here we'll also add more dripping. So a little bit of slime dripping. So just a curved line, turn the end, and then add another drip right there. Finish off the elbow, and we're done with that arm. I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow line there. Let's draw the other arm. So from the left side of the body here, draw a line that goes out to the left, and then go in and draw a line that goes over to the left for the arm, over to the wrist, and then it's going to curve down and finish off the hand, and a short line to separate the two fingers. Okay, we're going to finish off the arm by drawing a line that goes back to the body here, elbow, and then to the body. So then again, just like here, we're going to have a little bit of dripping, so curve out the drip, another one, and then up. Let's draw the other leg. So coming off this body line, we're going to go down and round it out here just like the other side. Just like that. And let's draw the inside of the leg. Straight line, and then Step back a little bit for the ankle with a short line, and then draw the foot, and then go up a little bit with a short line for the toe. Step down another line, and then up, over, and then back here again. We'll finish off the foot. Let's draw the other foot. So from this line, we'll draw the top of the foot first, and then another line that goes across and over, back, and then we'll draw another toe here, over, and then we'll draw the bottom of the foot to the ankle and up. So now we can finish this line to the body, just like that. We'll add a wrinkle line right here, a couple wrinkle lines. So now let's draw the tail. The tail's gonna go up this way, and it's got a curl at the end. So go up, back, down, and then that curly thing that I told you about. So let's give this tail some thickness just by drawing a line right there. So he's got these circular detail on the tail. So I'm just going to draw 3 ovals, and these are green. And let's go back to the top of his head. He's got these 2 little horns, but he's also got these 2 bigger horns. So coming off behind the small horn here, we'll curve a line first, and then start curving it down this way. So continue this line, and then back up. And again, we're going to do this curly thing. And then over here, start narrowing down the horn, and then kind of square it off a little bit right around that curly line. Just a couple lines here to show that it's folding. And then let's draw the other horn. Goes over this way. Start curving it, and then it's going to go down to about here as well. Step back, and then draw another line that goes up and then curls. Okay, let's draw the inside part. Right here, go down, and it's going to bend back this way, narrows, and kind of sharp corners there. And again, another wrinkle line to show that it's folding over itself. And on the sides of the neck as well, just like here, he's got these green dots. So I'm just gonna indicate that right there, and we're not gonna see the other side. So finally, I'm gonna draw some shadow lines with my thinner pen, but I'll also be coloring this. And these just kind of indicate that there's some shadow. So the light's coming from the upper left, so here's light, a lighter shade of the color, and then this part right here would be darker. So this is what I call a shadow line, separating the light from the dark. And there'll also be a cast shadow here, which I'm indicating, and a crescent shape highlight. So this part of his body is darker as well, and the bottom part of the tail is darker. I'll also add a highlight here at by the eye. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and outline this a little bit to separate the detail lines from the basic body shapes. Alright, so that's it. This was GOODRA, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.